How to fix sound problem fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix sound problem on your Android, Samsung, Huawei or Vivo or any Android phone. So all what you have to do, the first step is go to settings on your phone or like this, and then scroll down and go to the sounds option and make sure to manage the sounds of the media, the ringtone, the alarms, the calls from here. As you can see, and right here make sure to turn off the silent mode and then go to the do not disturb option and make it off. Go back again, scroll down, and this time go to software system, and this is the system settings. Now all what you have to do is click on reset and then click on reset all settings on your phone, and then go back and go to the software update and make sure to update your phone. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.